In this video, I'll show you how to transfer all your photos, videos, and even your eSIM to your new iPhone. Before we begin, ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi for a faster transfer. If Wi-Fi isn't available, make sure you have a stable data plan signal. Start by selecting your language and region. Next, choose your preferred appearance size for icons and text. I'll select medium for this demonstration. Now, bring your old iPhone close to your new one. Your new device will automatically detect the old one, and a pop-up will appear on your old phone saying, "Set up new iPhone." Tap Unlock to continue and enter your passcode. The pairing process. Once authenticated, an animated circle will appear on your new iPhone. Your old phone's camera will open automatically. Position the old iPhone over the new one so the animation is centered in the viewfinder. You will then see a message saying, "Getting things ready." After a few seconds, a prompt will appear on your old device showing your iCloud account. Tap Set Up for Me. When your old phone says, "Finish on new phone," you can set it aside. Your new iPhone will now ask for your current passcode, the one you've been using on your old device. eSIM transfer. If you use an eSIM, your new iPhone will prompt you to transfer phone numbers. Tap Transfer from iPhone. Select your provider, in my case, Mint Mobile, and your phone number. Tap Continue, then Transfer. Finally, grab your old iPhone and double-click the side power button to confirm the transfer. This process may take a minute or two to connect to your carrier's network. Select your phone number again. And now hit Continue. Hit Continue once again. And now hit Continue to set up Face ID and follow the on-screen instructions. Data transfer. The most important part. After the privacy disclosure, you'll reach the most important step, choosing how to transfer your data. While you can download from an iCloud backup, I recommend selecting Transfer from iPhone. This ensures a direct move of all your photos, videos, and files, so nothing is left behind. Tap Agree to the terms and conditions. Your new iPhone will then show you the apps and settings it is ready to migrate. Tap Continue. For location services, I recommend turning them on to enable essential features like Find My. For Face ID, Apple Pay, and Apple Intelligence, you can set these up now or select Set Up Later to finish the transfer faster. Once you see the emergency SOS screen, tap Continue. Your data transfer will now begin. Depending on your Wi-Fi speed and the amount of data, this can take anywhere from 5 to 45 minutes. Once the transfer is complete, your new iPhone may perform a software update. This is normal and takes about 10 minutes. When you see Restore Completed, tap Continue. Follow the final prompts to get started. Your new iPhone is now ready. Your apps will continue to download in the background, but your eSIM and media are already there. I hope this video was helpful. If you run into any issues, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching.